everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another RV tour. It is yours truly, it's Heidi here with RV Roadway out of Calera, Alabama. And today I have for you the brand spanking new 2025 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2908 Rear Living. I absolutely chose the worst spot to do this intro because I can't even see. Now that is a whole lot better. This floor plan right here has the most perfect rear entertainment setup. Lots of walking around spacious floor plan right here. And if you are in the market for something for entertainment, look no further. Oh, by the way, I have been out sick with the flu for a whole entire week. So if you hear me sounding like sick, I was like sicker than a kid that goes preschool. But we're here and we're doing this walkthrough. Let's go. We're going to get started on the exterior, and then we're going to work our way around the interior. Joe French, if you're watching, what's up, dude? All right, so right here up front, you have a one-piece molded fiberglass front cap. You have an automotive grade style windshield right here. Now, coming to the front of your tongue jack, you'll notice you have an electric tongue jack. Gots to have that. Right here, you have a spot for 2 propane tanks, and it is prepped for a second battery. You have a dual battery housing right here behind your propane tank. You do have a nice little rock guard plate right here to protect your unit from the debris on the road, because you know you're going to have that. And directly right here, I will show you up close. This right here is your electric stabilizers. Right here, you have them on all 4 corners. Now, one thing to note about this that sets it apart from the rest is this is the Lippert PSX2. What that 2 means is this electric stabilizing jack does have 2 motors. So not only is it going to go up and down a whole lot faster, but if one ever goes out, you can still use the other one to get them babies up. And you do have those on all 4 corners. So electric tongue jack, electric stabilizing jacks. Golly, I can't see you a lick. I hope you can see me. Now, coming around on your campsite, you will notice that you have a 21 foot long power awning, electric awning that is. This sucker right here is absolutely massive, and Rockwood was smart enough to know that it needed a middle center bracket right here for support so your awning does not sag. So not only do you have the support, you have a 21 foot long power awning that pretty much covers up your whole entire front of the rig. So when you're out here watching your TV, grilling, doing whatever it is you do at the campground, you're covered, baby. You do have a TV bracket right here for an exterior TV if you wanted to hang that bad boy up. You do have GFCI outlets on the exterior, and the Furrion TV satellite hookup is right here as well. Coming on down the campsite, you'll notice that you have a little rack right here where you can put your griddle. That is what this is for. And you do have a quick LP disconnect right down below as well, so you can hook up that grill. Frameless safety tinted panoramic windows right here. So you got the frameless tinted panoramic windows looking real good. No edges right there, looking sleek and modern. You do have 2 exterior speakers directly right up above right here on your right side, because everybody loves Leonard Skinner and AC/DC, and you can blare that at the campground. So what do you think about that? You do have a nice little LED strip right here underneath your power awning so that you can see when it's dark outside. Now, if you're wondering what these walls are that you're rocking with in this Rockwood, you have your composite sidewalls. This is laminated. It is going to avoid and prevent delamination, moldy, wet wood. So this right here is going to be your composite construction all the way around your rig, of course. Now, making our way on down some, you'll notice that you got the step above steps by MORryde right here. Very easy to lift up and lift down, as you have that strut assist right there that's helping balance that weight. You got your handy dandy grab rail to help you get into the unit. All right, now you do have dual axles right here, and as you can tell, you have your alloy wheels and your rubber tires. Just kidding. Dual heavy-duty axles right here. You do have the endurance tires right here by Goodyear, and you do have right here a little sticker that goes over all the warranties with them line heads. Now, you will notice that you do have slide toppers on every single slide out around the unit, which is a massive plus. Got to have them slide toppers. Once again, with the frameless windows right here, and you do have your electric stabilizer for the rear, up and down button right here. We're going to speed things up a little bit. In the rear of the coach, it is equipped with a rear ladder to get up to that roof to service it every 90 days, which is absolutely amazing. Got to have that. It is prepped for that backup camera. It does not come with it, but it's camera ready, and it comes with a spare tire as well. And it even comes with this old classy, thick protector on the rear. Now, if you're wondering where you're going to store your sewer hoses, right here is the place. Very easy to pop that bad boy on and off. This is a 50 amp electric service unit right here, so 50 amp. Once again, with them slide toppers all over the rear. Not all over the rear, all over your slides. Very nice plus, by the way. Coming on over here, you'll notice your low point drain. All your galley holding tank sewer connection is going to be on your non-camp side. Your hot and cold outdoor shower. Here is all your cable and satellite and city water connections right here. And let's go to the most important thing that everybody is wanting to know. What is weight? What is length? All of that good stuff. So right here, dry, you're looking at 8,145 pounds. Length overall is 35 foot 5 inches. Your GVWR is 9,730 pounds, and your cargo carrying capacity should never exceed 1,526 pounds. If you're wondering what this storage door is, which is locked, by the way, it goes directly underneath your bed. I will show this to you from the inside of the coach, but it's just some exterior storage that you can access from the outside as well. Now, without further ado, what do you say we go check out the inside of this bad boy? Let's go. Now we are sitting on the inside of this beautiful rig. Here is your front door, and as soon as you enter in, the first thing you're greeted with is your little U-shaped kitchen right here that extends into the slide out. Real unique setup right here. Bar stools right here at your kitchen island almost. Little bar top area right here. Sit and watch TV. Guys, I absolutely love this floor plan. So let's just get started right. My bad. Let's just get started right here. You do have a countertop extension, as you can see. Plenty of cabinetry space right here and pull-out drawers. You got these nice solid surface white countertops looking real good. GFCI outlets around your kitchen for all your accessories. You have a single basin farmhouse style undermounted sink right here with a nice pull-out matte black faucet. Lots of natural lighting going throughout this rig too. It looks very good. Directly above, you have that 1.3 cubic foot built-in microwave oven. It can fit a full-size 11-inch dinner plate, guys. Nice. Cabinetry all around. Soft close. If you're wondering where your trash can will go, it'll go right here. I got my stuff tucked away in there, but spot for a trash can. You do have that oversized Magic Chef oven right here with your 3-burner cooktop. You got the Magic Chef oven hood range vent, and you even have the Magic Chef refrigerator. This is the best of its class. This is a dual open. You can open it from either side. Check that out. Oh, it cools down fast too. Look at that. It's already 40 degrees inside there. Now, you do have a little cheat sheet right here that goes over a lot of stuff with you, but let's just go over it together. Some of the interior features include an 1800 watt inverter with inverted outlets, a 200 watt roof mounted solar panel with a 30 amp solar charge controller. You got the hybrid woven flooring and the floor slide out. So this right here, woven flooring. Shower miser water saving system in your shower Solid wood cabinet doors with hidden hinges and drawer glides. Very nice, good quality. 21-inch gas oven. 15,000 BTU ducted AC standard. Aluminum frame dinette and bed bases. And you have porcelain foot flush toilets. Now, very nice. Here is the freezer side right there. Let's just see how deep that goes. Very nice. Looks real good. You even have some overhead cabinetry right here if you want to tuck away your coffee pots and other things like that. Now right here is your bar top area. You got these beautiful leather stools right here looking real good. If you wanted to sit right here and do some work, you do have an outlet to hook up a computer or laptop charger maybe. Nice oversized windows all throughout. And you even have these little bug screen shades with the blackout roller shades. Large kitchen living area slide out right here, and look at the floor space in your living area. This is why I love rear living floor plans, because look at how much space you have in this living area. Dual slides, of course. Entertainment wall right here that features a 50-inch eTV. This is a Konex Smart TV, so it's going to have Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, all of that good stuff. And of course, you got cabinetry space on both sides. Look at that. Storage below as well. That'd be good to hide like pillows and blankets and other things. Not soft close. You do have an electric fireplace that'll pump out 5,000 BTUs of heat. Run you out this living room, I tell you what. USB and USB-C outlets on both sides of the TV, as well as your regular inverted outlets. And you even have some storage above as well. Looks real nice. I wish you guys could see it in person. So, in your living area, you do, obviously, as you can see, have dual opposing slides. You're going to have a hide-a-bed sofa right here and a hide-a-bed sofa right here. So, guys, these will meet right here in the middle. You can sleep one couple right here, or grandkids, one couple, or grandkids, or friends right here. So, that's 4 adults. You can sleep in the living room. Movie theater setup, you got the Millersburg collection. And this baby looks comfortable. Wow. 4 total cup holders, 1 right here, 2 right here, and 1 right there. So you don't have to get up to get nothing, baby. 4 cup holders in your movie theater setup. You got some hidden storage right here, so you better not be arguing over losing that TV remote because you had a designated spot for it. Of course, you know this is going to pop out. This is going to fold down and recline so you can sit back, kick back, and watch your old favorite westerns right here on your 50-inch flat screen TV. You do have some reading lights above both of your hide-a-bed sofas if you'd like to sit down at night and read. Storage above as well. Runs from this side to that side and goes all the way to the back of the slide out. So lots of storage space. And it's the exact same on the opposing slide as well. Looking beautiful. Now, you do have 2 ACs in this unit. You're going to have the Coleman mop. And the control panel for that is right here. Here is your WeRV. Clean that off. It's still got the original plastic. We plan on leaving that. So here's your control panel. This is where you can check the status of your battery and your tanks. Let your awning in and out. Slides in and out. Water pump. Tank heaters. You got them 12-volt tank heating pads to ensure that your tanks never freeze over during the cold winter. And your water heater. So everything really to do with everything you can control right here. Turn your lights on and off. Stepping into the bathroom, you got a little like U-shaped bathroom right here. It is equipped with that max air vent fan. Gonna need it. Gonna need it. You got a little cornered porcelain toilet right here. Foot flush, of course. Light switch. Hang you up a rag to dry your hands off. Huge, and I mean huge. Countertop space right here. Your vanity, very spacious. Put your toothbrushes, all your stuff right here. You have plenty of space for that. You have a little bit of storage right here for maybe your toothbrushes and other things. And if you needed to work on your water lines, easy access right there. And your water pump is right here. So everything is together. GFCI outlet, and I don't know what this is. I'll check it out. It's a light. Okay, nice. You do have a medicine cabinet. Put all your medicines and your things in there. Got a little square sink. If you see that antifreeze, it's just because this unit's been winterized. Turning around, you do have a huge linen storage little area right here. Open that up and let you look at it. Very nice. Lots of space right there. And of course, you got that U-shaped shower with them nice glass doors. You got a skylight in there for additional headroom, and you got that shower miser water saving system. So no water that you use will be wasted. And if you want to know more information, you can pause the video. Let me turn this around. And there's a QR code too. All right, hanging that back up. And you can even get into your bathroom from your bedroom. Massive plus. Now let's go back out here. Let's shut this door and check out our bedroom. All right. Oh. Now, walking into your bedroom, you have lots of floor space in here with your queen bed slide out. Dual reading lights above your head if you want to lay down and read you a nice book. Storage above your head as well. And you have 3 total windows right here, guys. And here is your front automotive grade style windshield as well. Imagine being at the lake or in the mountains or wherever you camp at, and this being your view. Oh yes, please. Coming on over right here. Here is all your closet area space right here. Plenty of countertop space in this bedroom too, to like put all your stuff, maybe your decorations, your pictures, your books, whatever. Lots of linen space for your clothes. Put some shoes in there. Opening that up, it's pretty wide. And it goes down pretty deep too. If you guys ever wonder what this is, just don't. It is a jailhouse tattoo I got in high school, and I'm rocking and rolling with it. All right. And then, of course, you got this whole entire area right here dedicated to hanging up your shirts and other things like that. So opening that up, you can hang you up some suits and dresses and whatever else you want to. There is that entry exit into the bathroom from your bedroom. And you even have some storage drawers underneath your bed as well. Look at that, guys. That's huge. That's massive. And now, for you to see what I was telling you about on the exterior, here is the storage that is underneath your bed. Look at that, guys. Aluminum framed. You can access it from the outside, as you can see. You got your griddle plate. You got your Suburban griddle over there. Very nice. Very nice. So let me know, guys, what you think of this brand new 25 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2908 rear living. I am in love with it. It's beautiful. I hope that you guys think and feel the same. Please let me know your feedback and your comments, as I would love to hear them. This unit is located and available at RV Roadway in Calera, Alabama. It is time for you and your family to take life on the road. I have our information up on the screen. All you have to do is go to our website, type in 2908RL, rear living RL. No, it's very number specific, so 2908RL, and if this baby is available, she will pop up. Thank you guys so much for watching to the very end. If you have any further questions and concerns, please feel free to call or text us. 205-663-0046. And until next time, guys, we will see you then. Thank you so much for watching.